Hi. So question 1 is, if you get this job, what produce and protects would you establish to foster innovation? The answer is, if you get this job, the procedures and protects I would establish to foster innovation would be to establish cooperative work arrangement. For example, Google actually put in formal rules requiring every employee to dedicate 1 day a week to side projects. Ingenuity and change embrace and valued. Therefore, I would follow Google's approach, and I would also encourage the building of team capacity to contribute to innovation. For example, by group study, group discussion, and I realized that sharing this knowledge and skills will directly affect the performance and the potential status of the organization. So I will provide some learning opportunities to help development the skills needed for innovation, include online learning, job rotation, coaching, and mentoring. And I would also create an avenue for celebration and promotion of innovation. For example, planning the group incentive schedule. I would also establish protects to foster consolidation. For example, visiting other business and observing working practice. And of course, I would ensure the respectful communication and sharing of ideas and feedback by past writing pieces in bulletin and newsletters, statements during staff meetings and social media. Work acknowledge succession, improvement, and innovation from all colleges. And question 2 is, how would you reinforce the value of innovation to the vision of the organization? The answer is, in regard to reinforce the value of innovation to the visions of the organization, I would do that by acknowledging succession, improvement, and innovation from our colleges, giving employees good feedback and motivate employees to go out and further the innovation contributions. And question 3 is, how would you model your behavior? Include being receptive to ideas, giving constructive advice, evaluating or work, establishing and maintaining relationship, business ideas provided by employees, and thanks them for deciding to share their ideas. More importantly, I regularly reflect on my own innovation and ensure that they meet a broader organizational or project environment. I also understand that all innovation opportunity may be related to consistent degree of risk, such as budgetary issue, and change in the relationship, work practice, and general workplace climate, and enforcing impact of innovation ideas. Therefore, I can use risk assessment metrics to identify those negative events which have to be dealt with as matters of priority. So question 4 is, how would you evaluate the physical environment so that it can be enhanced to support innovation and collaboration, and an idea to make improvements, including in selection of physical resource and equipment, and the design, fit out, and the operation of the workspace? The answer is, I relate that the physical environment will have a direct bearing on the level of innovation within the organization. It is also worth noting that employees' response individually into different work environments. When working in an open environment with various colors, some people may be inspired. Others may prefer the basic color schedule and eager to spend a lot of time in their own private space. When evaluating the business environment, I would consider to the personal performance of employee. Maybe I will change the company's interior design, decoration style. So, and question 5 is, would you be making any changes to workspace to ensure it will encourage innovation? The answer is, the change that I would be looking at might involve change to the design, fit out, and decoration, because there is a direct link between levels of physical activity and creativity in the workplace. I would not only encourage employees to carry personal items and add their own personal style to surrounding environment. I would provide a lot of physical resource and equipment suite of commercial sets, such as the have conference. This close workspace are designed for the task of individual and group cooperation. Keeping plants and flowers in the work environment can make employee quiet and have a positive impact on the productivity. So last question 6 is, thank you, we will be in touch. The answer about the question is, thank you for your time and for the opportunity. I really enjoy the meeting and talking with you. Thank you.